In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated and live stickers on iMessage using iOS 17, DT, ESF8. This exciting update lets you transform your photos and videos into fun, shareable stickers, perfect for adding a personal touch to your conversations. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up the Photos app on your device. This is where you'll begin your creative journey. Once you've done that, go ahead and select the image or video that you want to turn into a sticker. It's important to note that if you're aiming to create a live sticker, using a live photo or a short video often yields the best results due to their dynamic nature. Now that you have your chosen image or video, we're going to transform it into a sticker. Start by tapping the share button, which looks like a square with an upward arrow. Once the share menu appears, scroll through the options and tap copy photo if you're using a picture, or copy video for a video. This action copies your media to your clipboard, making it ready for stickerification. With your image or video copied, let's move on to the Messages app. Open up any conversation of your choice and tap on the text box to activate it. Here, tap and hold to bring up the paste option and select paste to insert your image or video into the text box. This is your canvas, we're just getting started. After the image or video appears in the conversation, you'll want to tap on it. Doing so creates a sticker version of your media that you can interact with. Feel free to resize it or move it around by dragging it with your finger. This allows you to fit it perfectly into your conversation, ensuring the sticker looks exactly how you want it to. But wait, there's more. If you tap on the sticker, you'll see options to add animations or effects. This is where you can really bring your stickers to life, adding that extra spark to make your conversation stand out. Choose the effects that best capture the mood or message you want to convey. Finally, once you're completely satisfied with your personalized creation, it's time to share it. Tap the blue send button to instantly send your animated or live sticker to your friends. And there you have it, an eye-catching sticker that's sure to brighten up any chat. I hope this guide has provided you with a clear and straightforward way to create your very own animated and live stickers in iMessage. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities and happy chatting with your new stickers.